The heart is a vital muscular organ in the circulatory system that plays a central role in maintaining blood circulation in the body. It is located in the chest cavity, between the lungs, and is roughly the size of a fist. The heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Structure of the heart. 1. Chambers. Atria. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava, while the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs via the pulmonary veins. Ventricles. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery for oxygenation, and the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body through the aorta. 2. Valves. The heart contains 4 main valves: the tricuspid valve, between the right atrium and right ventricle; the pulmonary valve, between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery; the mitral valve, between the left atrium and left ventricle; and the aortic valve, between the left ventricle and aorta. These valves ensure unidirectional blood flow and prevent backflow. 3. Muscle layers. The heart wall is composed of 3 layers. Epicardium, the outer layer that provides a protective coating. Myocardium, the middle layer, consisting of cardiac muscle that performs the pumping action. Endocardium, the inner layer that lines the heart chambers and valves. Function of the heart. The primary function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body, providing tissues with oxygen and nutrients needed for survival while removing waste products such as carbon dioxide. This is typically divided into 2 main circuits. Pulmonary circulation. This circuit transports deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs. In the lungs, blood receives oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left atrium of the heart. Systemic circulation. This circuit carries oxygenated blood from the left side of the heart to the rest of the body. The oxygen and nutrients in the blood are delivered to tissues, and the blood then returns to the heart with waste products and carbon dioxide. Electrical conduction system. The heart has an intrinsic electrical conduction system that regulates heartbeats. It consists of sinoatrial SA node, often referred to as the natural pacemaker. It initiates the electrical impulse that triggers each heartbeat. Atrioventricular AV node, receives the impulse from the SA node and delays it slightly before transmitting it to the ventricles. Bundle of His and Purkinje fibers carry the electrical impulse throughout the ventricles, causing them to contract and pump blood. Importance of the heart. The heart's ability to pump blood effectively is crucial for overall health. Any disruption in its function, such as arrhythmias, heart disease, or heart failure, can lead to serious medical conditions and requires timely intervention. In summary, the heart is an essential organ that serves a central role in the circulatory system by ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the body while removing waste products, thus maintaining homeostasis and overall health. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and routine medical checkups can help keep the heart functioning optimally.